Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be opening up the July 2026 FairyLoot adult book. This is my first FairyLoot subscription book. I was on the wait list for over a year. Finally got off it, so let's do an unboxing together. Okay, Playing for Revenge. The Wicked Game. When a disgraced athlete, I heard that it was going to be, it's a fantasy, obviously, but I don't care for sports, so I'm gonna be interested to see how I will like this one. When a disgraced athlete is offered a chance at redemption, she must enter a fake relationship with the very person who destroyed her career. But as a mysterious illness sweeps the winged creatures of the league, the couple must set aside their animosity and work together to save the sport. So it is fantasy sports, so it's not real life sports, so I feel like it'll be fine. This will be me dabbling, I guess. Yeah, obviously it's a surprise, so this will help me branch out a little, which I think that's good. Here is the book. Let's get her open. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the front cover, The Winged Game. That's super pretty, but the edges. That is insane. Here's the cover. It says, when rivals collide, sparks will fly. Now let's open her up. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so I'm guessing the reversible jacket. I think this is just the original cover. This is the naked cover. Okay. I'm guessing that's the love interest. Some art of the characters. Wearing regular clothes. This is like urban, I guess. This will be really me branching out because I don't necessarily care for urban fantasy or sports. Okay, we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna do a reading vlog reading this book, so you'll hear my honest reactions. This one is cool. I really like this. Very pretty. I am interested to see how I'll like this one. If you have a FairyLoot subscription and or you plan on reading this book, let me know when you do. Make sure to like and subscribe. I do a lot of reading vlogs and challenges, as well as recommendation videos here on my channel. Turn on the bell notification so you can see every time I post. Thank you guys for joining me today. I will see you guys next time. Bye.